Hi, thank you very much for your watching My Little Life channel. In this series of video, I'm going to introduce Japanese food and culture deep inside, step by step how-to and tips. Suggestions for the real Japanese style eating into your life. I'm Japanese and I've been living in London since 2007. So I'm going to share both typical Japanese and Western twisted cooking using both local ingredients and Japanese ingredients which you can get easily online or Asian supermarket. I hope you will find lots of new information for you about Japanese food and enjoy them even more. So what kind of Japanese dishes have you ever tried in the past? Sushi, tempura, or things like katsu curry? How about one of those? One of the most important and interesting aspects of Japanese food is variety. Probably traditional image of Japanese food was like this. Then, in 2003, takeaway shop Wasabi opened. Then Wasabi Pea get quite popular, which available nowadays in all the supermarkets. Then 2008, first katsu curry restaurant is opened in London. Now katsu curry is available in Tesco as a ready meal. In 2015 was ramen year of the London, and now it's available almost everywhere. But those things are just tiny bit of Japanese food culture, so let's see together what else you might be interested in. Next topic is, what made Japanese food taste like Japanese? It mainly tastes like soya sauce, dashi broth, miso paste, which is fermented soybeans, and mirin. Mirin is made in the same way as rice wine, sake, and key ingredients for teriyaki. Teri means shiny. It gives sweet taste and a shiny finishing to the dishes. Ingredients. Our staple is rice. We eat rice 3 times per day, like those: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This is my 10-kilo bag of rice, which I finish in 1 month usually. Then I will introduce those mysterious ingredients in each video. Next topic is Japanese food really healthy? Yes, for 3 main reasons. Small portions, no dairy product, and balanced nutrition. Historically, we didn't have a custom to eat meat until Western culture introduced into Japan in 18th century. This is just one of the examples of basic Japanese diet. Rice, fish, vegetable, seaweed. Condiments are made by soybeans. Also, protein is taken from soybeans like tofu. This is sukiyaki, which invented in 18th centuries just after we've been introduced meat from Western culture. This is the reason why main Japanese ingredients are usually fish or vegetable, or meat dish has got a lot of other vegetables in it. I still think Japanese food is not that healthy when we had a lot of deep fried and carbohydrate. Also, we don't consider sushi as a particularly healthy food. Some of the fish sushi has got very rich fat. This is a Japanese nutrition chart. Here I circled for typical Japanese ingredients, which you don't see Western nutrition chart. So changing some key ingredients here from current to your daily diet could be interesting trial. So please check my videos to learn about Japanese recipes and ingredients. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.